Galing ako sa bahay ni ate. Kakalabas pa lang. I think it's my 3rd month pa lang. Now, papasok ako sa bahay ni kuya. How trippy is that? Before, sa loob, may CCTV. So then, gino-joke namin na parang, uy, si Big Brother nagsasalita. And what would it be like if we were in Big Brother's home? So now I'm out here. Tapos, they give me this opportunity. Ang galing! I'm gonna be locked up again. But it's the type that I don't want to get out. Although, gusto kong mag-Christmas sa bahay. I mean, my home. So, tingnan natin kung anong possible. Ayaw nila sabihin kung kailan matatapos yung show. Pero syempre, gusto ko hanggang sa dulo, diba? Guys, I hope you help me out, please. Syempre, hindi na ako nakapagsabi sa kahit sino sa inyo. Because it's a huge secret. And I don't know who's gonna vote me. Because a lot of the people that are vying for me are probably nakakulong. Na joke lang. Pero a lot of them are. Paano sila magte-text? Wala. So, to everyone out there that, you know, if you're watching my vlogs or you're a friend that I haven't seen in a long time or you want to be my friend, I hope you guys vote for me. Okay. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck to you. Good luck. Matinding prayers talaga to. Thank you, Lord. Ngayon pala nagpapasalamat na ako for whatever outcome may be.
Sa isang heart-strong athlete ay isang matatag na vlogger naman na may pambihirang pinagdaanan ng ating huling sasalubungin sa gabing ito. Kung sino siya, panoorin nating lahat. Mula sa community ng mga vloggers, kilalanin natin ang isang babaeng mabigat man ang pinagdaanan, siguradong kapupulutan ng aral at inspirasyon ng kwento ng kanyang buhay.
Hi, I'm Karen Bodadorth and I was a former radio DJ.
Ask you for advice though. How does one stay in Big Brother?
You just have to be yourself.
Be myself?
Yeah.
Okay. Sige.
Be yourself.
Be myself. Got that. So, ibig sabihin ng iba, tinanggal dahil they're being themselves? Or they're not being themselves?
Yun lang yung advice ko.
Okay. Yun lang yung advice. Okay. Thank you so much, Debe. And bring the shoes na nasira. Got it. So back to brown pants. Flares actually. For it's brown. Napaalala nila talaga sa akin yun. Curious siya. Bakit ko na-mention ng brown pants? Seriously, doesn't know. Kung yan, yellow shirt din too. She's laughing but she really doesn't know. Earlier, they didn't want me to turn my back or basta ayaw nila ako tumingin sa likod at nagpanic sila lahat dahil merong isa pang contestant sa likod ko biglang pumasok and they're like ah! And I'm like, oh, I'm gonna look syempre, I'm a good girl hello so good girls don't cheat o ayun na naman sila. May bukas na pintuan. Merong contestant. Hello! Someone's in there.
48 hours later.
Good morning! It's early in the morning and I'm on my way to my first swab test for PBB. So I have to pass this one. Ha! Ang tagal ko na hindi nagtitest ng kung ano-ano. So, sana pumasa. Wait lang. Sana bumagsak. Wait, ano ba? Kasi yung kung positive, di ba, bagsak ka. Kung negative, papasa ka. Di ba, ang gulo? So, hopefully, it will be a good result because
it will determine if I can join the show or not. So, finally, after a long wait, I'm gonna do my swab test. I've been waiting for an hour. Woo! Nakakaba. Ito na. First time to experience this one. So, how do I? Ayaw mo yung kasi sa nose lang po. Okay. That's how it feels. Okay, thank you. Okay na po yan? Yes, sir. Ilang oras po yan? 30 minutes to 1 hour. 30 minutes to 1 hour. So, positive lang ako na negative po yan, no? Okay, magtataho muna ako habang naghihintay ng resulta. Nandiyan po si, Manong Taho. Yun talaga yung hinihintay ko eh. Habang nag-a-anti-gen, waiting ako. Tagal po nang gusto to, kuya. Anong oras yun niluluto?
1 po.
AM? Ay, pinag-arapan mo yan. I-enjoyin natin yan. Thank you, kuya.
A few minutes later.
Currently waiting for the results. So, malapit na mag-isang oras. Kumukulot na yung buhok ko dahil naninervous ako. Hindi ko alam kung ano magiging resulta. Kanina, diba straight na to? Ngayon kumulot bigla. So, susulat muna ako sa planner ko. Pa-plan ko muna buhay ko. Baka ano pang mangyari. Yay! Guys, after more than an hour of waiting, nabahan talaga ako doon. Kasi more than an hour na wala pa rin. Hindi sila nagpaparamdam. So, tinext ko na. And then, I got negative! Ang nakakatuwa doon, yung age ko, 30. O, diba? Pati sila hindi makapaniwala eh. I declared my real age, pero no, they placed 30 pa rin. I love it! Thank you!
The next morning.
So right now, I'm on my way to buy beads and nylon and all the materials in order for me to create wallets, bags, and kung ano man. Kasi sa loob daw ng bahay ni Kuya may mga downtime. So, pwede ako magkaroon ng hobby. Ito yung ginagawa ko sa loob ng Colombia. Gumagawa ako ng mga wallets at kung ano-ano. I'm gonna shop for a couple of beads na I can bring inside the house of Kuya. And malay nyo, maturuan ko pa yung iba gumawa ng beads, diba? Nakakatawa. So, miss ko na rin yun kasi I used to be a leader of that. And I earned, well, pati other people, they earned na rin dahil sa paggagawa. So, hindi natin dapat makalimutan itong mga skills na to. So, first trip to Quiapo, biglaan. Kasama si Noel. Ang lapit lang pala sa bahay ko to. Grabe na sa Quiapo Church talaga kami. Ito. Itong size.
Itong ganitong size, kaso lang wala yan.
Ito, mahal. Medyo mahal siya. Nakakalula pala dito na sa dami.
Oo, dito kami naghahanap.
Parang yung size. So, these are the bags you can create with these. Ay, ang cute to. Yan, yun yung mga products na gagawa namin sa loob. OMG, ang dami ko nang nakuha. Hindi ko na kinakaya. Noel, tulungan mo ko. Sige nga, sabihin mo, tama na yan. Zipper, no? Ito ba yung paano bumili ng zipper? Dito talaga. Buy 20, take 10. Wow! Tama na daw yan, sabi sa akin ni Noel. Let's see how much it costs. Let's see. OMG. Tayo mag-hoarding.
Para hindi siya mahirap dito.
Inisip ko talaga to paglabas ko ako yung bibili ng beads eh. Tingnan mo naman to. Ang dami. Pinaplano ko lang dalhin to sa BBB para gumawa ko. Hindi ko naman magagawa lahat yan. I'm hoarding. I'm so hoarding. Ito po, pati wallet ko. Beads. At si Noel, pagod na. Ang bigat din kasi ng beads.
4 to 6 more days later.
So, to continue my preparation for PBB, syempre magpapaayos muna ako, magpapaganda ako, diba? So, I'm on my way to my derma, Dr. J Skin and Wellness Center in QC. I live in Makati, but I would go all the way to QC because sobrang maalaga sila. I really like the doctor there, Dr. Joe. Hi, Joanne. They're so white here, oh. Okay, yay. Sige. I'll roam around lang muna habang you guys are preparing. This is Doc's office.
Ilagay natin yung bag mo doon.
Yes po. Sige po. I'll get it. Hello! So right now, check yung buhay pa ako. So far, may kulay pa naman ako eh, diba?
One is permalate. This one is for the chicken skin para mag-improve texture and pores.
Okay, so it's supposed to look like a baby's, you know, underarm or was a baby skin. Yes. In the olden days, 5 years ago, they would place ice just so you won't feel it. So nowadays, wala.
Different procedures.
That was IPL.
Yeah, IPL is ice.
So until now, ganun pa rin. I'm finally done. Thank you so much, Miss Ellen. Thank you. Sana nga matagal pa akong babalik, no? Ginawa na namin lahat eh. Nag-overhaul na ako. It's like, how long have I been here? I arrived at 1 and now it's 6:30 p.m. Ganong katindi. Thank you.
3 days later.
Check out all my stuff. It's so gulo.
Yan ang kanyang ayos ko mo.
2 luggages. And then maybe art stuff. And then another luggage and more things. Hindi natin alam ang mga plano ni Lord.
The next morning.
Okay, so we have someone here from Means Organization.
Yes,
so thank you so much kasi nagpadala na sila ng books. So nabigay na natin yun sa Pasig City Jail. But this time for October, na Coco Month, National Correctional Consciousness Week or month, whatever. They're gonna be giving naman a book case or bookshelf, also a table and a bunch of stuff. Yes, his name is Caleb. There you go, and he's from Means Organization, and he's gonna give me $1 million pesos.
Oh no!
Joke lang. Just kidding. He's gonna give me funds for the stuff we'll buy for the jail. So, eto, let's go. Received it. Thank you so much. So this money is going to be for the people inside.
Yes, this December meron pa tayo.
Okay. Normally kasi I receive goods, pero kasi wala na tayong oras talaga. So ako nang bibili sa sa store online para pili talaga ng gusto ng mga tao sa loob.
Mas maigi.
So ayun. So yung change, keep the change. Joke.
Wala namang problema. Para lang ebidensya kay Ate Carmela.
Sure.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
God bless. Oh, God bless you.
Bye. Good luck to your organization.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Bye. So there, yay. So many good hearts that are helping us out. It's my last day here outside. Or second to the last. Basta, last full day. Gosh, so ang dami kong ginagawa right now. I'm like, I'm supposed to be packing my things. I have a meeting later for more PBB stuff. And meeting with my management. I haven't packed. I haven't finished my requirements yet. Pero I'll prioritize this kasi a lot of the girls inside are requesting for these certain things. And may budget na tayo. Thanks to Means Organization, all the way from the US, they have an extension here and they gave us cash.
Later that same evening.
Hey everyone! So today I'm going to have my send-off party. Well, I don't know if you could consider it a party because like konti lang naman. It's just gonna be my management team and my social media. Uy, meron na ako. There are people that will help me out all throughout my journey sa outside. Siyempre kailangan may nagbabantay ng outside ko, diba? So ayun. So they're gonna give me advice and they're probably gonna teach me how to go about with the different things that will happen inside sa bahay ni Kuya. So, tingnan natin kung magawa ko ng ano, tingnan natin if magagawa ko yung mga advice nila. Kasi syempre, sometimes when you hear something, it's like, swing! No, I'm kidding. But, it's all about being yourself. So, parang never naman ako naging not myself anywhere. So, ayan, maging exciting kung ano mangyari sa akin sa bahay ni Kuya. Pero sana magtagal ako. Syempre, it depends. Then, with your help, I'd really love for you guys to support me all throughout. Even though, you know, I'm not out here asking for, you know, tulong nyo. Sana tulungan nyo din ako. That would be really, really nice. Okay, you know what? Let's begin.
So, tomorrow, anong ganap? As in, no more phones?
So, yeah, 3 p.m. That's the line.
Totoo?
Hotel in Trinoma area daw.
Yeah, tomorrow talaga as in, nandun ka na sa loob.
Uy, diba? Alam mo,
Papasok na rin yung adult
how does that work?
category.
Kaya rin yung magpasok na next category. So, sugi na yung mga category namin or hindi? How does that work?
Alright, meron kasing ano, parang kung etong batch, katulad nung previous, di ba? Pinagsama-sama nila yung adult, yung teens, saka celebrity. So, merong big night na there's big 4 from your batch, another big 4 from adult, and another big 4 from
Feeling ko nga gagawin nila dyan.
Mix na.
i-mix nila, tapos parang, yun.
Depende sa ano.
Ang dami kasing twist na ginagawa ng PBB.
Uy, meron taga Star Magic ng text congrats ko, sabi ko, sino yung mga sasaling iba? Hindi ko alam. Ayaw daw sabihin. Ilan ka papasok? October 13th? So baka October 13th or 14th.
Nag-uusapan namin kaya niya. Sakang everything's falling into place sa kanya paglabas niya.
Yeah, everything. I didn't need to lift a finger. Except the banking part. Pero even after that, some angel helped me out. But there's so many people helping me out. Good vibes lang lahat.
Tapos yung documentary, it took a while. Mga planning namin nila event. Kanina, di ba? Game na game sa home, di ba?
Pero ang i-expect sa'yo ng ABS-CBN, yung story mo, yung life story mo talaga eh.
That's what they asked me to interview with sila direct and the head of PBB, like the US.
The next morning.
So, a few hours before I go, sobrang gulo na talaga ng place ko. And before that, I'm going to be giving away cash, 10,000 pesos for sila Jane. Kasi there's a, you know, someone who watched our videos and thought, you know, they should be also given something. And I'm so grateful kasi before I go, at least, diba, masaya sila. So, yeah, let's give them their surprise. Ito yung last day ko dito eh, bago akong malis.
Meron naman na bibigay sa inyo.
Perwisyo.
Remembrance inyo.
Kunyari, babariling kayo dyan lang kayo.
Sige.
Ano?
Mas magiging masaya kayo pagkatapos.
So guys, last day ko na to. Aalis na ako for PBB. Masaya kayo?
Maging mabait ka doon, makikisama ka sa mga tao doon.
Di ba ako mabait?
Ay, mabait naman minsan.
Grabe talaga to. Grabe. Okay, so you're here kasi may natuwa sa inyo.
Natuwa din sa mukha ko.
Oo. May natuwa sa inyo. May natuwa. Oo. May natuwa sa inyo na nanonood. Kaya, So, naisip niya, bigyan kayo ng something, kayong tatlo. Pero ito, salikit-kit to eh. So, ito, sige. Si muna, Noel. Noel, sa'yo muna ang slide.
Ikaw marunong.
Sige, marunong.
So, minigyan kayong tatlo. All together, put together ng 10,000 pesos! Uy, totoo Totoo kaya! Ito na. Ayan na ha. Ayan. Ito yung kay Noel.
Bilang. Pakita mo Noel.
Ayan.
Magkano?
Count mo yan.
Count mo.
Ayan. So,
Yes!
Maraming salamat po. Ano po?
Secret donor. Ayan.
Ay, salamat po.
Isang fan daw. Tuwa siya sa inyo. Ito. Kay
Ay, thank you Lord. Sana masusunod.
Ayan, kasi nandun kayo sa videos ko, diba? Ayan, i-count mo yan, Jing. Sa masarap mo daw spaghetti, tsaka sa mga ulam mo, tsaka sa lahat ng mga appearances mo. Basta, ilan yan? Ilan yan?
Teka lang, bilangin ko pa, napakanami eh.
Ano?
2, 3, 4. Ayan.
Magkano yan?
4,000.
Yes!
Thank you sa nagbigay. Sana po sa sunod.
Last or sleeper, dahil salikit-kit ka daw, nag-appear ka once, diba? Nagulat ka. Nagulat ka lang sa video. Ito, meron ka ng pera. Bilangin niyo yan, ha?
Yay! Thank God.
So magka...
Thank you! Maraming salamat.
Sabihin niyo Santo Niño. Ayan, Santo Niño. Yes! Thank you! And guys, huwag na kayo mahihiya sa video ko at may kapalit pala yan eh. Okay? Talent fee niya yan. Guys, nagbo-vlog din si Noel.
Thank you!
Yay! Noel, anong account mo?
Visit po sa channel ko po.
Ano nga yung channel?
Noel Panal at Metalworks.
Noel Panal.
At Metalworks.
That's a P. Kasi bakit Metalworks?
Yun po ang hilig ko eh.
Nag-welding kasi yun eh, si Noel.
Pero
Aside from driving.
Driver welder.
Well, driver welder.
Visit lang po.
Okay.
Pero wala pa po siyang maraming upload. Kunti pa lang.
Bisitahin nyo lang daw Huwag yung kayo daw masyado tambay. Bisitahin lang. Yay! Woohoo! Jing, Jing?
Ihulog ko muna sa alkansya.
Di naman, nag-change ng outfit pa si Jing talaga no? Para lang sa video. Alkansya mo yan?
Bakit masamang bautin na mo?
Nasaan yung...
Tapos palagi binabawi.
Ba't parang walang kalaman-laman?
Tinan mo, sinasilipin mo nga.
Ano kasi?
Walang laman ba yan?
Ay, wow!
Hindi, kasi pag may kailangan siya, binabawi niya. Yun.
Yan ang laman.
Hanapin ko to eh. Dapat paglabas ko, puno-puno na yan Ako, baka walang laman yung paglabas ko. Gagawin ko pang ng CR. So, ubusahin na namin yung project na bago ako umalis dahil we need to be able to give Liberty a really nice space while I am gone. Look at her. She's like, Okay guys, so right now I'm about to leave already. Siguro it's 1 hour and 30 minutes.
before, you know, goodbye world. Ito, tingnan mo si Liberty. Ayan si Noel. Thank you, Noel. That's 2 ah. 2 pa lang yun. I actually have 2 more. Pero ang nakakatawa doon, 2 lang yung allowed. Ay, hindi. Sorry. 1 lang yung allowed na luggage. So, tapos ang dami kong ano, no? Pinatagong clothes. And mind you, I don't even know where, what went, where, how, whatever. Kasi, I had to go to a meeting last night, so I placed all the stuff lang in my bed. Some I placed in the luggage. So the other luggages, I don't know kung saan yung mga gamit. Oh, hi! And then, I saved a lot of videos for the vlog, so I don't even know if they're okay. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na lang guys. Enjoyin nyo na lang lahat ng mga na-record ko while I'm away. Here, eto na, the Library of Liberty's Food. So, na-demote ang mga encyclopedias. They're all now here. And then, here's the new home of Liv. Para mas malaki, para she'll be enjoying. Mommy, quiet! I'm still talking in the video, please! Oh, yun si Mommy, oh, kulit. Say hi, Mom. Hi. Okay, so Liberty is, I don't know if she's making tampo, but right now she's like hiding in her little home. There, oh, do you see her? Yeah, no. At least she's enjoying her time. And then, more food's coming for her. And, ta-da! I brought so many beads then. Well, no, I bought. So, hindi ko sure kung makakapasok to doon. Pero I'll try para I can, you know, work on different projects while inside. Kasi may mga hobby times daw yun. Yung mga times na wala kaming gagawin. So, I might as well, you know, make wallets. Maybe for new friends. I don't know. We'll see. And whew, yeah, I think it's time to go now. So thank you so much everyone for being with me in my journey. My journey, hindi pa nga nag-umpisa eh. Pero malamang by the time you guys see this, I'm already inside. And I hope you guys will really be with me all throughout. Kasi hindi ko pwedeng gawin yan alone. I learned my lesson well. In life, we have to have like other people supporting us. So I'm asking you guys, please, please, please support me. Of all the celebs that are already established there, ang tagal ko na wala. More so, I'm more known on the radio industry and the modeling world. Plus the hosting world. But anyway, in terms of like, you know, basta alam nyo na yun. I need your help, please. So, I hope you guys can watch me on PBB. And then, also add me on Kumu. That's Karen Bordador. I think username ko ata, Karen Bordy. I'm not so sure. But anyway, isa lang naman yung verified account ko. So, please add me there. And I'm gonna go live. I don't know how or when. Bahala na. Basta I'm gonna go live and I hope to see all of your faces there. I'm gonna appreciate each and every post and comment. And basta, all the stuff na you send out, I'm gonna be appreciating them, I swear. And dun sa mga gusto mag-donate pa rin sa jails, mag-message lang kayo and then may mag-reply sa inyo. Tapos my mom will take care of it. Okay? Kasi everything continues even if I'm not in the outside world. I want to be inside again. So my heart still goes for the people in there. So yeah, a lot of my followers are inside jail. How are they gonna vote? Then joke lang. So I need your help, everyone. I really do. I really need your love. And sana mag-post kayo na mag-post, you know, mga updates of like, I don't know what's happening with me. But sana I do well. It all really depends on what God has planned for me. So the fact na I'm part of it, I'm so grateful already. Kung ano man mangyari inside, plinano na ni Lord yun. So, nagpapasalamat ako now pa lang. So, thank you to everyone. Yeah, medyo magulo tong episode na to kasi really, it's a lot of like, ah! So, yeah. Okay, late na ako. I gotta go. Thank you so much, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below because I'm gonna be reading everything. And I hope you guys cheer me on. So, thanks. Love you. Bye. So right now, I thought I wasn't gonna have my phone, but then I still have it! I'm here in my hotel room currently like alone. Oo. All by myself. I'm okay to be here lang all by myself. Malamang Liberty's thinking that same way. That's why she was hiding sa loob ng kanyang little, you know, little new home. Bago siyang bahay. Tapos, sa maliit na bahay niya, may malaki pa siyang bakod. So,